Hi everyone! Welcome to the New Kids English Learning Series. Let's start! So tell me, have you ever wondered how we name everything around us? From people to places to things we use every day. So today we're going to learn about nouns, the naming words. Imagine you open a box and see a book, a toy, a chair, and an apple. You instantly know what each thing is called. But have you thought about how? Those names you just used are called nouns. Let's define them in a better way. So, a noun is simply the name of a person, place, thing, or even an idea. It could be someone like a teacher, a place like a school, or a thing like a phone. Even feelings like happiness or love are nouns too. Here's a simple trick to spot a noun in a sentence. If a word comes after a, an, or they, it's often a noun. Try asking yourself, is this a? If it fits, you've found a noun. You know what is interesting? Nouns aren't just in books, they're everywhere in your daily life. From toys and games to cars and coffee, everything you see has a name. No matter your age, nouns are a part of your world. I hope you got the idea so far. Let's try a quick activity. Can you find the nouns in this story? Of course you have clues. Now check. Did you spot all the naming words? Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Now recall with me. Nouns are naming words. They can be a person, place, thing, or idea. If you can name it, it's a noun. Easy peasy. Great job. Now you understand what nouns are and how to find them. But this is just the beginning. Nouns have different types too. In the next video, we'll explore them together, so don't miss it. Goodbye, friends. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You are going to love this Kids Learning series.